Hello everybody, welcome back, another one of my quick little videos. Anyway, so yeah, this is my Traxxas Slash, and been having a few little issues with it. Had to buy a new receiver because when I was doing a low profile conversion, I like to have a few drinks of an evening, and I wasn't really paying that much attention. I took it all apart and didn't realise that the aerial straw there was held in by a grub screw, and I couldn't get the receiver out, so I yanked it and tore the receiver wire. I couldn't resolder it because it's a 2.4 gig. I didn't really have the tools or the know-how, so I ended up buying a new one, and it didn't work properly, and which was a bit of a pain in the backside. I ended up having to buy one of these things, which is downstairs. Sorry. So let's buy one of these. It's basically, it goes into the back of the transmitter. There's like I don't even have one up here. No. So yeah, there's like a little bit on the back of the Traxxas controllers, and you unscrew that with an little 2mm or something Allen key, and you put one of these in, and then you pair it with your phone, and then like by Bluetooth with an app you can download what vehicle you're using and tune it all up. So I had to do that. Anyway, out and about with it, just local bashing if you like. I had to I was driving it, and it was pulling to one side, and all of a sudden I thought, why is it doing that? Then the drive shaft fell out. Then I realised that this had snapped. It didn't even bash it or nothing. It just broke by itself. So yeah, so now we're going to have to quickly try and do a quick little fix on that, which is yeah, bit of a pain really. All I seem to do is fix them, but hey, I guess that's part of the hobbies. Right, so what we need to do then, so we need the bearing off of that. So we need the bearing off of that, we've got that bit. And we got some replacements here, some little doobie dars. So, wow, don't use that. Which is handy, because these things always tend to go over a button. I'll keep that to one side. I'll put that on there like so. Could use a bit more, but yeah, stuff it. Yeah, that's that. Yeah, the fun part is actually getting this over there. Oh yes. Yes. So, this may take some time. I hate doing these. Yay. So, after a bit of swearing and a bit of fiddling and a bit of losing your temper, when you do finally calm down, you can get it back together again. Whee! It's a pain in the bum though, it really is, these things. Anyway, that's that. So we want to put that in. Put that in there first. So look, no, yeah, no, if it's in there, it's not in there. Oh, come on, stuff. These ones will hit the bottom, I think. Oh, yeah, that's such a bugger. Right, so we need to just walk. 7. 2 nils, so 2 there, 2. Right, so look, on bottom. What's the bottom? What's that? Right, okay then, we'll try this one. Yeah, jaws left. Nothing to do there. Right. Yeah, right. Yes, I'm using this, but I'm setting down to read. Oh well, there we go, back together. Oh, I've also, on the shell, stuck that to the roof with my little GoPro, so hopefully you can get some good footage of that when I next can be asked to take it out. Alright, that's it for now. Cheers for watching. Bye.